case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1987, the Alaska Supreme Court heard the case of Jackson v. Power, which revolved around a 16-year-old patient, Brett Jackson, who suffered kidney damage after being treated by an independent contractor emergency room physician at Fairbanks Memorial Hospital. The lawsuit questioned whether the hospital could be held liable for the actions of an independent contractor physician. Typically, when an employee acts negligently while performing their duties, the employer is held responsible. However, in the case of independent contractors, the employer is usually not responsible unless there is an established exception. This prompted the Alaska Supreme Court to determine if the hospital had a non-delegable duty to provide emergency room physicians and whether the doctrine of corporate negligence applied. After careful consideration, the court ruled that the hospital did have a non-delegable duty to provide non-negligent physician care in its emergency room and could be held liable for the patient's injuries, which included damage to his renal artery and vein, ultimately leading to the loss of both kidneys. The court held that the hospital could be held liable under apparent authority or estoppel by agency. A non-delegable duty existed without a contractual relationship, obligating the hospital to provide emergency room physicians. As a result, the hospital was responsible for damages caused by a physician's negligence or malpractice. The court's decision was partly affirmed, reversed, and remanded, solidifying the notion that hospitals can indeed be held accountable for the actions of independent contractor physicians in certain circumstances.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.